Have you ever wondered who the natural cleaners of our planet are? Scavenger animals not only help clean the environment, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 scavenger animals on land and uncover why they are nature's At the top of the list, we have vultures, the masters of detecting carrion. With their large wingspans and keen senses of smell, vultures can locate carcasses from miles away. Their extraordinary sense of smell and vision are 8 times more sensitive than humans. They not only clean up dead animals, but also prevent the spread of dangerous diseases. Next up, the striped hyena, a well-known scavenger in Africa. With their powerful jaws, they can consume bones and tough tissues, making use of every part of a carcass. Striped hyenas also hunt when necessary, proving their adaptability in the wild. Did you know that crows are among the most intelligent birds? They're experts at locating carrion and often work together to protect their food sources while keeping the environment clean. Jackals are incredibly adaptable omnivores. They often take advantage of carcasses left behind by lions or leopards, ensuring nothing goes to waste in the wild. Not just fierce predators, bears are also efficient scavengers. With an excellent sense of smell, they can detect carrion from a distance, helping to recycle nutrients and maintain ecological balance. Eagles, symbols of power and vision, aren't above scavenging when needed. Species like the bald eagle often feed on fish carcasses or small animal remains, playing their part as aerial cleaners of the ecosystem. Lastly, the fox, a highly versatile omnivore, often scavenges carcasses left by larger predators. Their agility and resourcefulness make them vital in maintaining environmental balance. Scavenger animals are more than just nature's cleanup crew. They are essential links in the ecosystem. Let's appreciate and protect these fascinating creatures, as every species plays a critical role. Thank you for watching today's video on Nature There 68. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing explorations of nature. See you in the next video.